All right, so now I can you guys hear me? My voice is clear. English. Please let me know if you guys can hear me. Okay, fine. All right, so in the last lecture we discussed about what is Oracle DBA, what is the importance of Oracle DBA, how to start the career as a Oracle DBA. Okay, so these are all things we have discussed in the last lecture, right? Let's try to understand the next part about a DBA. Let me share my screen. Okay. Okay, so I'll just show you, the basic architecture of Oracle DBA, how it looks. Okay. uh, Annotation, delete all, disable annotation, fine. Okay, and just okay, fine. So if I just draw the basic architecture of Oracle DBA, so first of all, you will have your what you'll have, you will have your operating system. Okay, so you are going to install the operating system. There are multiple operating systems are available in the market, like the very famous is we have Red Hat Linux is there. You can use Red Hat Linux, or you can use Oracle Linux, or you can use Red Hat Linux or Oracle Linux, or you can also use your Windows Server. On the top of it, you are going to install your database. On the top of it, you are going to install your database. So this is a database which you are going to install. Now, if I take the example of Oracle database, so in Oracle database, we have multiple versions are there. Like just take an example of Oracle, we have 99, 10G, 11G, 12C, 18C, 19C, right? Nowadays, the most of the projects still it is using the Oracle 19C. So what I will do, I will have operating system. Okay, I will have operating system. Under this operating system, I'm going to install a database which is of version Oracle 19C. This database will be connected to the application. Okay, this database will be connected to some application. So who is going to use this application? Just take an example. We are using a CRM applications, EBS application, SAP application, Sibyl application, right? So these are the different applications are there which are used by the application team. So there will be a dedicated application team will be there who are going to use this application. I'll tell you small example. CRM applications means customer relationship management. Just take an example like I want to store your data, like I want to store your student data. Normally, like earlier we used to use Excel to store your data, but nowadays, like we are getting so many admissions for Oracle, RAC, and some other technologies. So that is the reason I want to store your data into the CRM. So what I will do, my sales team, let's say someone from my sales team, he use this CRM application, and he is going to make your entry. So when he is making the entry into the application, that entry is not happening or stored under the application. So that entry will be happening under this database table. So in the form of table, your entry will be stored. Okay, in the form of table, your entry will be stored. So if I draw the basic architecture of any database administrator, so you will have an operating system. Who is going to install this operating system? Now let's say you are using a Red Hat Linux or Oracle Linux, so you will have dedicated team will be there. We called it as a Linux team. They will take care of installation of operating system. You don't need to install operating system. Operating system will be taken care by your Linux team. Windows operating system will be taken care by Windows team. So there will be a dedicated team will be there who are pretty comfortable or pretty much expert to do the installation of operating system. So they will take care of this installation of operating system. You are mainly responsible for the installation of database. So the installation of database will be taken care by the database team. So as a DBA team, you are responsible to install your database. So when you are doing the installation of database, they will provide you the basic details like they will provide you database details like what is the name of your database, um, and what will be the Oracle home. Small details they will provide you. And again, remember that you are not the person who is going to do the installation for the first time, like it's not a first database, so there are many other databases out there, right? So you just need to follow the standard and then do the installation of database only. um, so this is how, any architecture of database, like you take an example of Oracle or PostgreSQL or MySQL, this is how your database. So basically your main agenda to make sure that this application people should be happy with you. Like if these people are going to run their SQL jobs, like let's say they are doing some reporting kind of work, they want to know how much sale has been done in last day, so they will do a reporting kind of work. So when they're running some queries on application, those queries are actually running on database, because my data is not stored under the application, my data is stored under the database. So my database is holding the data. So those people who are using the application, they are going to run their job and they are doing all these things. So what is my responsibility as a DBA? So my responsibility as a DBA is to make sure that this database should be up and running. This database should be up and running 24/7. What is meant by up and running? See, let's say I'm going to the ATM. Okay, I'm going to the ATM. I want to withdraw some money, but see, this ATM is just a front end, no? So you are here, you are using this ATM. So this is just an application. But where the ATM data stored, it is available under the database only. So if your database is not running, do you think that you can withdraw the amount? No, that's not possible. So if you want to withdraw the amount, or if you want to do some credit or debit, anything, this database should be up and running. Now let's say I want to purchase something from the Amazon. If I want to purchase something from the Amazon late night in the 12 o'clock, my database should be up and running, because I will do some UPI, I will do some internet banking. So for that, my database should be up and running 24/7. So you can do the transactions at any time, right? You can do the transaction at any time. That is the reason my responsibility as a DBA to make sure that my database should be up and running 24/7. 24 means 24 hours and 7 means all the day. So that is how it is going to happen. Acha, till now whatever we are discussing, are you able to understand? Can you please let me know? Till now whatever we are discussing, are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option and let me know? Okay, nice. Ron is saying yes, Kiran is saying yes, from YouTube side E2 is saying yes, Rajesh is saying yes, Karishma is saying yes, Anju is saying yes, Rakesh is saying yes, Roshan is saying yes, Madhur is saying yes, Prakash is saying yes. Yes. Nice. Okay. So that's how my main responsibility start. Again, as a DBA, the main responsibility as a Oracle DBA to ensure that my database should be up and running 24/7. That's very important, guys. So you cannot say that, boss, today is Saturday, so I will not work. Today is a weekend, I will not work. Today is some fun activity, or I will not work. No, you need to be available 24/7 at any cost. Okay. So again, as I said, like if you want to understand the Oracle DBA, the basic which start from, you should have a knowledge about SQL and you should have a knowledge about Linux. Okay. So now let's try to understand that how the database, like when you start your career as a DBA now, or when you are starting your career as a Oracle DBA, you will always listen one terminology called database instance. What you will call it as database instance. What is this? So how I'm going to connect to my database? Okay, how I'm going to connect to my database? See, you basically, this is basically divided into the two part. One is like on the top of it you have memory part, and here you have your storage part is there. Okay. So memory part means when you do the installation of Oracle database, a database instance will be up and running. What will be up and running? Database instance will be up and running. When you do the installation of database, database instance will be up and running, which is connected to your database. So when I say a database is something we store your SP file, control file, data files, archive logs. Now again, you are listening me for the first time, like you might have questions like what is SP file, what is control file, data file, archive log, what is online read log files, right? We'll discuss about that. But at this point, you just try to understand that when the user want to connect, the user will get connected to the database instance. Now let's say, what will happen in the database instance? Database instance is just a memory that you allocate to the database. What is database instance? See, in order to run any software, if I want to run any software, we need to allocate some memory, right? Let's say this Zoom meeting is going on. So if this Zoom meeting is going on, we need to allocate some memory, right? If this Zoom meeting is going on, we need to allocate some memory, correct? That is memory, we called it as SGA. The memory that you allocate to the Oracle database, we call it as a SGA. Why we are allocating the memory? Why we are allocating it, right? That is the next question. So memory plus some of the background process, we call it as a database instance. Just take an example. Let's say there is a user one. He is firing the command like select star from EMP. You are running this simple command. So when you run this command, do you think that the database will understand this English language? This is like English only, right? At the end, it is English. Do you think that? No. So this query will be processed over here under the database instance. This query will be processed. Process means, I'll tell you a small example, like your syntax will be checked, whether the user is having permissions or not. That is called semantic check. All these small thing will happen on the database instance. So if everything goes good, then finally it will take a data from your database, from this. Okay, see, any data which is stored under the database, it's a binary. You cannot directly go and retry the data. That is not possible. When you say that, okay, let's say you are thinking that I'll go here and I'll just run the cat command and I'll see the data. No, that is not possible. If you want to see the data, that data will be visible in the form of table, Oracle table. So how it is possible? By under the database instance only. So database instance, you are going to connect to the database instance. Database instance will retrieve your data from here, and that will show you in the form of table. So when you say that I want to select the data from EMP table, your data is here in this file. Here it is available in this file. We call it as a data file. But you cannot read a data file directly. So database instance, which is your database software actually, will help you to show you this data in the form of tables. That is the reason we are always getting connected to the database instance. We are always getting connected here. Okay. So there are many background processes are there and many things are there. No worries. We are going to learn about that. Okay. But till now, whatever we are going through the small concept, are you people able to understand it? Whatever things we are doing now, are you able to understand, guys? Okay, and please fill up that form also. Okay, that is helpful for your attendance purpose. You can see there is a link. Okay, please fill up that form. Okay, nice. Please fill up that form. The forms, and those people who are interested to join this Oracle DBA training, because we are starting this paid training now, so you can directly reach out to the number which is available in the chat options. Okay, so you can take care of that. Okay, I think some people have questions. Let's take that question. Host tool, unmute themselves. Yeah, you can ask your questions regarding the training if you have anything. You have options to unmute yourself. You can unmute and you can ask.
I have a question. You said the memory we allocate to the I think you said it's called SGA. What's the meaning of SGA?
System global area, correct?
Oh, okay. System global area.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
So SGA is a system global area, which is basically a memory that you are allocating to the database. And why we are allocating to the database? Because thousands of people are going to connect to the database. They are going to run their jobs, and if they are running their jobs, in order to process their request, okay, in order to show them their data, a database need a memory. So when you do the installation of database, that time we allocate a memory to the database. when you do the installation of database, that time we allocate some memory to the database. So how much memory can we change that memory? Yes, we can change that memory. So we can, let's say I allocate few memory now, like let's say 10 GB. In future my business is growing, so I want to increase my memory. You can do that, you can change the memory also. Okay, so we do that. Any more
Thank you.
questions, guys?
You also mentioned that in order to know Oracle, we need to know like SQL and Linux.
Correct.
So does it mean that is that what we're gonna learn in this training or?
Yeah, we are going to learn about that.
Oh, okay, thank you.
So what we have done, like those people who are already enrolled, we have already provided them the access to the SQL and Linux, so that as soon as we start our batch, you people will be ready. So we are going to see live also SQL and Linux, but before that itself, I want everyone to be ready, okay, in SQL
Yeah,
and
but
Linux.
I'm sorry, but I already enrolled and they didn't give that to me.
We'll share. Okay, please check with your team.
Okay,
They
okay.
So there is a question, ये session हिंदी में नहीं होगी क्या? So this time we have allocated for the English batch. For the Hindi batch we have other timing is there, in the morning 12 o'clock. That's Hindi batch. Okay. So that Hindi batch also we are going to start very soon.
Hi, Ankush.
Yes.
Hi. Yeah, so this batch will be every day from 8:30 to 9:30
Yes.
the evening. Okay, not in the morning time.
Morning. No. Sorry. My bad. No, this batch will be in the morning time.
Okay.
Evening time we already have another batch.
Okay.
The
And the
morning time.
second, okay. The second question is like I am much more interested in the practical learning because my kids know most of the theoretical things and how this lab things will be done. Like,
No, all the session will be theoretical
ah,
plus practical also.
okay,
If you want to
oh,
know more about us, you can visit our YouTube channel. You can see the practical session. There are many sessions are also uploaded on YouTube
okay.
channel, so you'll get more confidence on us.
So how it works? Like we need to install the DB
No,
in our
I'll help you
laptop
to
and
do the installation of Oracle database with
in
the
our
help of
own
Oracle
systems.
Virtual Box.
In
So
our
you
own
guys
system.
can, yeah.
Okay.
So you
Uh,
guys can do it on your personal laptop also.
okay.
Those people who do not have much resources available, we will provide the lab access also, and
Okay.
every
Is
session
that
will be getting recording also. So by any chance, if you miss the session, you will get the recording itself.
okay? So like online we can access your lab. Like if you
Yes.
don't have system settings, then we
Yeah,
can.
we will provide the lab access also.
Oh, okay.
Usually
Thank
everyone
you.
have laptop and
Correct.
8 GB
Correct.
RAM, but if you don't have, so we have that facilities also.
Oh, thank you.
There is a question from Pratik.
Hello,
Are there
sir.
any batch available in Hindi offline mode at evening? Evening, like we have a batch, but that batch is already started. Already started means like the DBA part is already started. So if you are interested in the evening batch, you can reach out to the sales team. They will add you to the existing batch. So existing batch in the evening time, that is in Hindi only. Yes, please. Someone was asking question.
Please, what is the right time for this training for us in the US? Because it's kind of confusing.
So what is the time zone you are following? CST, EST, what is that?
I'm in CST,
8:30 AM IST to CST. So it will be 9 p.m. for you.
9 p.m.
Yes, night.
Okay, every day.
Yes.
Okay. Starting from Monday or tomorrow?
The start date, like we are still working on it, okay? But once it start, it will not stop there.
Okay.
Please, what about Eastern time?
Eastern time is ET time only, right? Is it ET?
Please?
1 minute. EST now.
EST.
It is 10 p.m. for you.
Oh, cool.
Yes, Nick. Okay, there is a question like, hi sir, you said it as a 24 across 7 DBA role, so work involved night shift and don't have weekends. See, depends. Okay. So when I started my career as a Oracle DBA in my first project, I used to do the night shift also. But as soon as I get the hands-on and I find myself little confident on the Oracle DBA, then I said to the manager like I'm not going to do the night shift. Uh, like again, it's depend on project to project also. So some project they won't work in night shift, some project will work night shift also. Sometimes it will be the combination of US plus India. It means on our morning we will work, and on their morning they will work, the US team will work. So when you join any company, initially I would say, um, don't think about the timings and all, but once you are confident you can put your terms and condition in front of company. But initial level, don't expect anything. Whatever they are giving, be ready for that. Next question, any question?
Hi, this is Prakash here.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, actually, I'm currently working for an MNC company and I have an 11 years of core experience. Okay. So, the which course would be better for getting certifications? Because already having good hands-on experience
uh
just to have put on this.
so what is the question yourself, which what course you are saying?
No, no, no. Which course would be better to have a certification? Because I'm looking for a certification purpose.
Certification, only certification you need.
Yeah, yes.
You reach out to us, okay, we'll clear your certification.
Okay. Yes, yes.
Next question please.
Sir, any prerequisites to learn Oracle DBA?
You should have a knowledge about SQL and Linux. Anyway, we are going to cover with this syllabus, okay? So any person who is coming from completely non-technical background, those who people think that I don't understand coding or I don't like the programming, please welcome. We are welcoming you, okay? You can start
Sir,
your career as Oracle DBA.
can you tell us about the placements and all?
So again, placement is all completely depending upon your actions. We have a dedicated team is there who is helping you to provide you the placements and all, okay? So we have a lot of people who are getting placed as a Oracle DBM. You people may be following us on YouTube or maybe on our WhatsApp. So many people are getting placed, okay, on daily basis. Again, those people who are getting placed, it's not about just because of us only. It is their efforts also. Okay, so people are putting a lot of efforts. And that is the reason they are getting placed. Yeah, we are here to help you, to give you a guide, a good direction, and that's what we normally plan. Okay, sir, Hindi batch
And
start.
this placement, it works only for people in India or?
No, we help everyone. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So there is a question like the Hindi batch has started. No, Hindi batch has not started yet. Okay. So if you're interested for Hindi batch, you reach out to the Learnomate team and confirm your admission, because for Hindi batch we have limited seats are there. We do not have more seats for Hindi, especially.
The timing for a Hindi batch?
Timing
What
will
is
be
the time?
afternoon 12 o'clock, 12 to 1:30.
Okay,
Hello,
sir.
Yeah.
hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Okay, in this whole course, you can cover the multi-tenant architecture,
Yeah, we are going to cover 90C multi-tenant architecture, container database, pluggable database, all your upgradation, patching, everything in multi-tenant architecture only.
right? Right.
Hello.
Yeah, yes, Zakir.
Sir, is there any platform available for us to work practical on it?
So everything will be practical, as I said, the things what like
What about what about our practice? That is more
no,
important for
see
us to
what I
do.
will do. I'm going to show you how to install the Oracle database on your personal laptop. So you are going to follow me. If you have any issues while doing the installation, you can reach out to the Learnomate team. They will take your control, fix the issue. So you don't need to worry about the installation part and all. You can do the practice on your personal laptop itself. Okay.
Yes.
And all the commands which I'm going to run, everything will be documented, so you can easily just copy paste, or you can go through the recordings and do the practice on your personal laptop only. We are going to help you with the installation, don't worry about that.
But sir, if we don't have any data in our database, sir, then what will we do, sir?
We'll provide you the lab
Command will
access,
not
okay?
work.
We'll provide you lab
The
access.
lab access is available, sir.
On the lab access, you can take the control, and you can do the database administration things.
Without enrollment, we can
You
not.
need a basic laptop at
It
least,
will
okay?
not.
You need a basic laptop
Sir.
so if you have a
Okay, sir.
laptop, okay, we will provide you the lab
Oh,
access.
okay, sir.
Any questions, guys?
Hi sir, my name is Santosh.
Yes, sir.
So actually, I completed my BCS from 2016.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I completed like MC also.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, I'm working as a concentrics, like a BPO. So I'll forget all the technology, like what is the database, what is
What
the
is your
things like
designation there?
as a senior executive.
Senior
Non-voice I work. Yes.
So think maybe you can use your previous experience as a Oracle DBA. Okay.
Okay.
So, but again, I would suggest don't go as a fresher. Okay. Show your
Okay.
previous experience as a Oracle DBA. That is good for you. Okay. And the
Yeah,
level.
already I'm working CRM also, sir.
Huh?
Application
That's fine.
CRM.
So that is good actually. Okay. So you show your previous experience as a Oracle DBA, your chances of getting job is pretty much high then. Okay. You're already working, so that is quite good actually.
Yes, sir. So when the start the batch sir, exactly, matlab, I am waiting for the 7th February. So like syllabus when the start.
So we'll start. See, actually, as soon as normally like we take a time to start the batch, but once we start now, we won't start them. Okay. So because the duration is long, like normally we go for 3 to 4 months. Okay. So we need some break, but once we start now, so don't worry about that. We'll start it. Okay. That is the reason we are taking these demos and all. Okay.
Okay, okay,
So we are on the way, like
okay.
almost like we are
Daily
starting.
basis I can see the video on YouTube, sir.
Ah, you can see that so many videos are available on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir, I am
Nikhil.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Hello.
Yes, I'm listening you.
Yeah, hi, Ankush Sir. Any major difference between Oracle DBA and PostgreSQL DBA, or in the job market and right now, which is the best right now?
No, see, based, I won't compare anything. Okay, both are good at their own place. PostgreSQL is something which is open source database. Oracle is a enterprise database. Enterprise means like if you want to use the Oracle database, you need to pay the money. PostgreSQL is completely free of cost. It means open
Yeah.
source means like you don't need to pay anything for licensing and all. Oracle is mainly used by the banking sector. All the big people like SBI, TCS, UBS, Dutch Bank, HSBC, all these big giants, they are using the
Okay.
Oracle database. PostgreSQL is quite demanding in the market, especially for mid-scale market. Okay, because
Okay.
Oracle is costly now, so people will go to Postgres. But yeah, wherever the cost is not a matter, they need performance, they need security, they need support. Like especially banking, they will prefer Oracle only.
Okay. Present job market, which is better, sir?
Both are good, both are good.
Both of
Okay,
them.
both are good. There
I
is no
think.
problem.
Okay. I think you want to tell me that open source, no? I think someone preferable to.
Both are good. See, in my Oracle, the people are coming from PostgreSQL. They are joining. So you'll find a situation like there will be a time where you need to understand both the technologies. So it is a good thing to have a knowledge about Oracle plus PostgreSQL.
Okay. Both we
So
need as some standards and situations.
So yeah, vice versa, people are moving like my Oracle to PostgreSQL, PostgreSQL to Oracle. Okay,
Oh,
put
okay.
both the technologies in your resume. It's good for your career only.
Someone who has a good understanding of Oracle it makes it easy for him to know Postgres, right?
See, the architecture wise, both are same. Like I personally take both the trainings. I take Postgres also, Oracle also. So when I see the architecture of both the technologies are quite same only. Naming conventions are a little bit change here and there, but overall the architecture, the core concept, how database works, everything is same. Everything is same. Okay.
Huh.
So anyone who
So,
is coming from Oracle DBA background, he can easily understand Postgres. A person coming from PostgreSQL background, he can easily understand Oracle. Both are good.
sir, if I cannot afford the admission, is there any possibility to just charge for the lab access, sir?
Only for Linux, you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Please reach out to the Learnomate team. You can see the numbers are available there, right? So they will do it
Okay,
something
sir,
for
I
you.
will come. Okay, sir.
Hello, Ankush Sir. Am I audible?
Hmm.
Actually, I want to ask you, after completing this course, I should have to do a certification also, or your certification is enough for any job or something?
Certification is not compulsory. Okay, it's not compulsory, but having a knowledge along with the certification, that is something good. You know, when I see the resume, because we are daily taking so many interviews, when I see someone's resume with certification logo, okay, or mention about the certification, the impression will be little good, right? But nowadays clearing a certification is not a big deal. Like everyone know how people are clearing the certification, right? So my focus is always on knowledge. So focus on knowledge plus certification. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Certifications matter, like especially for client. Like the company will say to the client that okay, we have Oracle certified people with us now. Okay, but yeah, without knowledge, having certification, no value. Okay, especially in USA, people are more crazy for a certification. In India, that's not much case.
Okay,
Hi.
thank you, sir. Sir, one more
Hello.
question.
Hello.
Yes, desire.
Yes, I just want to ask this question about this Oracle DBA and SQL. Is it server developer? What is the difference? Is it the same like what we are doing, like the SQL statement, or that's like a career on its own?
That's good. Okay, no worries. Next question, please.
Can you hear me?
Sir, what is the duration of the course exactly? How much months it will take?
3 months. Uh,
Hi, sir.
yes.
I am from Pakistan. My name is Mudassir Wahab, and I have 4 year of experience in Oracle Apex.
Mm-hmm.
I would like to know, do I need to start completely fresh as a DBA?
No. Show your previous experience. Oracle Apex means that comes under the application side, right? So it's good. Okay, you don't need to start, or you don't need to show that you are just a fresher and all. Okay, there is
Okay, sir.
nothing. There is no. You show your previous experience as a DBA. No worries in that. Okay, so the level
Okay,
of
sir.
knowledge what we provide now, like you can easily show 3-4 years of experience.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
But along with that, if you have a
Sir, I
knowledge on
have,
the rack, that is good. Okay, yes.
sir, I have a question.
Hmm.
Do you have any like after completing this courses, we have like upgradation course also for
Upgradation
Oracle,
means,
or it is enough like
no,
advanced
we have a
level
lot of
something?
courses are there, like especially those people who are coming with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 years of experience, right? We have a courses like Oracle RAC, RAC, then Oracle Golden Gate is there, then Oracle Exadata, ExaCC, performance tuning. Many courses are there.
See, sir, I'm shifting this. I'm migrating to the Australia. So what will be their like opportunities for this?
Australia has seen many people working as a DBA. So you do one thing, you just go to the job portal, which is famous in
Okay.
the Australia. Search with the Oracle DBA. See how many openings are there as a Oracle DBA.
Okay. So, and sir, currently I'm working in like the database manager for the this what you call, actually this almost closed, but certain companies are using like Sybase, but it
Mm.
is only the client version.
Okay.
So we will that knowledge will help in the
Yeah,
Oracle?
see, as I said earlier, if you are coming from no SQL background also, na, still this DBA knowledge is very important. If you are coming from SQL, PL SQL, any background, okay, that knowledge is going to push you towards the Oracle DBA. That is really, helpful for you. So no worries, okay, take care of it. And I'm there now. See, like I'll tell you, so many people are getting selected from our institute who don't know about anything about the database, anything about the IT also. They are completely blank, non-technical people. Now at this point, I say like these people are working as a DBA and with good package also. So you are already on database, well settled. So you can easily do that. Believe me. Okay.
And sir, I will not be able to attend the morning class because I will be in office. So your recorded video will be
Yeah, that is also
useful.
available. Yeah.
Okay.
If you are going to the recording and if you face any challenges, let us know. We have a dedicated support team is there. They will take your control and fix the issue.
Hello,
And for
sir.
Hindi batch, we have to pay extra. Like I want to
No.
sometime if I want to.
No.
Okay. Just I will reach to your team. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Hello.
Yes, Pradeep.
Sir, I am 2024 pass out.
Hmm.
I completed a bachelor's degree in computer science, so I will consider as a fresher or
You will consider as a fresher only. 2024 is still fresher.
और सर ये जो प्लेसमेंट है बैंकिंग सेक्टर में ही ज्यादा होता है ऐसा कुछ स्पेसिफिक नहीं है
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं लास्ट टाइम एक माइलन नाम से एक प्रोजेक्ट में था. वो हेल्थ केयर प्रोजेक्ट था.
आईटी सेक्टर में भी स्कोप है ना इसके लिए
अरे बाबा मेरे 12 साल आईटी में था. आई वर्क विद द कॉग्निजेंट, इन्फोसिस, विप्रो, एलटीआई, ऑल दिस बिग जायंट्स.
ओके सर थैंक यू सर
Ankush Sir, as you said, certification is मतलब इंडिया के लिए जरूरी नहीं है, but it is important for other countries. So after completing this course, what type of certification I can able to do?
You can go for OCP, Oracle Certified Professional.
OCP. Okay,
And
sir.
we can help you in that, okay?
Okay, so means the initial certification is the OCP.
Yeah,
completing
after
this
the
course.
Oracle DBA training, you can go for the certification called OCP, Oracle Certified Professional. That is a training.
Okay, sir.
That is a certification provided by Oracle only.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
सर प्लेसमेंट सीजन कब से स्टार्ट होता है मतलब पूरा
After
कोर्स
the
कंप्लीट
training.
होने के
After training.
sir, I have a question if you don't mind.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, we are now working here at Afghanistan at 11G. Sir, now our technical team work to upgrade this to 19C. And our manager told to me that we have to focus on Sun Solaris that it's suitable for the 19C,
Sun
not
Solaris, did you say?
on Linux. So, which is, yeah, he's told me to focus on Sun Solaris, not on Linux. Which one is well suitable for the 19C, sir?
No, see, like depends. These are all completely many factors are coming into the picture. Like the factors like licensing, compatibility of your applications, many things are there. Okay, so Sun Solaris, if you're using, that is good. Okay, in my experience,
No, sir,
Oracle
we are not
experience,
using Sun Solaris.
in my project, like most of the project I use, people are
Sir,
using
we
Red Hat
are
Linux.
now using 11G
Okay, 11G. That's
Linux.
quite
Okay,
old
sir, we
now.
are using please Cube also, sir. We are working as a.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine, guys. Okay, so that's more than enough, I think. Yeah.
सर MCA इसी साल कंप्लीट किया है एंड आफ्टर दैट इस एज ओरेकल DBA रहेगा करियर एज
अच्छा है. See, I have a people coming from BCA, PSC, MCA. Even sometimes I have seen BSc plain side also. Okay, these people are working as a DBA now. So no
एज
worries.
कोर्स कंटेंट क्या रहेगा और टाइमिंग क्या रहेगा फिर इसका
Please reach out to the
प्राइसिंग
teams. You do one thing, guys. Please fill up the form. You can see there is a form available, right? So please fill up the form. My team will contact you, or you can directly call to the number which is available in the chat options. Okay.
Sure.
Any?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
I'm Shamsundar from Hyderabad. I want to take this back training, sir. When will be the batch?
The timing is not fixed yet, okay? We'll let you know.
It will be at least by April or March ending like that.
Before that only.
And actually, I took the DBA training from you, but I want to brush up this before going to RAC. Simultaneously, I want to join DBA as well as RAC. I will pay these fees for you.
Okay,
Actually, your team, they did not get back to me. I
fine,
want to
fine.
join it.
I'll discuss
Sir.
with them, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thanks.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
I'm Shabad. I am working as a data engineer. So, is it fine to change is a DBA admin
What is
from
the current work you are saying?
data engineer?
Data engineer, is it say?
Yes, yes.
Data engineer is a good profile now. Why are you switching to DBA?
There's some codings are there.
So if you that is the problem, na? In data engineer, you need to understand Python or Scala, correct, na? So you should be comfortable, including your SQL also. Yeah, if you think that you are not fit into that, yeah, definitely you can come here. No coding, zero coding actually. Okay, come here, no worries. We'll take care of you.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Except banking and healthcare, remaining every type of projects are working in 24 by 7
Everyone
only.
is in the Oracle DBA. Don't think
24.
about that.
I mean 24 by 7 only timings.
24/7 is completely depend on project to project and project
Project.
structure also.
For example, healthcare domain.
I was working with the health domain. There were no shift. It was a
Only
12
general shift only.
12 to 9 was there. But that's like
12 to 9 means okay. Afternoon
12 p.m. to 9 p.m. 12 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Oh, okay,
That's a
okay.
nice shift actually. No traffic, nothing.
Yeah.
You can wake up at
So
any time.
the timings is suitable for only healthcare or any type.
There is no guarantee of timing. It is
Okay.
project to project. Okay.
Depends on project. Sir, except to banking and healthcare, what type of remaining, sir, in DBA?
No, many all sectors.
Industries
Airlines
or
is
market?
there. Okay.
No, okay.
Insurance is there.
Okay.
Everything like man, you take any example. Okay, everybody is there.
But healthcare is somewhat better compared to all. I think so. Compared to especially bank. Is it right? I think it's also based on transactions, continuously
Nothing
transactions.
is based.
Patterns,
Nothing
right?
is. सब luck के ऊपर होता है. Everything is a depend on luck. Okay.
Actually, banking means it's 24 every second it will be lack of transactions. Plenty of transactions happens, no? So that's why I'm asking. I think a lot of issues also occurring in DBA.
Don't scare to the issues. If you solve so many issues, that is good for you only. Fine, guys. Yeah, thank you so much for
Thank you.
joining. And again, that was. I hope you people
Thank you,
enjoyed
sir.
the session. Please do one thing. Please fill up the form, or there are some links are mentioned into the chat options, like my Instagram, our LinkedIn, and all. So you guys can follow us. Please go through our YouTube channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel also. Okay. Please fill up the attendance forms. Again, I'm requesting everyone. Okay. So I hope you like the session. If you still have any doubts regarding your career or anything, please reach out to the team. Okay, we will help you to sort out your thing.